Hi everyone, I'm Prashasti Gupta and today we are going to clear a lot of confusion around these four terms that get thrown around a lot. These are artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and data science. These are all buzzwords you have probably heard. But what exactly do they mean and how they are different from each other? Let's dive in and break them all down. Let's start with artificial intelligence or AI for short. AI is a broader field in computer science that focuses on building machines capable of performing tasks that requires human intelligence. Think about things like solving problems and understanding natural language processing or even playing chess. The goal of AI is to create a system that can think and learn like humans or even better than us. From personal assistants like Siri and Alexa or to self-driving car, AI is powering the next generation of technology. But keep in mind, AI itself is a broad category. Within AI, we have other specialized fields like machine learning and deep learning, which we will discuss next. Now, let's talk about machine learning or ML. Machine learning is actually a subset of AI. It's a science of getting computers to learn from the data without being explicitly programmed. Here's how it works. You might feed a machine a lot of data and it identifies patterns in that data to make decisions and predictions. For example, Netflix uses machine learning to recommend shows and movies based on your viewing history. The more data the machine has, the better it will get predicting what you might like. So, to sum it all up, AI is a broad concept and ML is a specific method within AI that allows system to learn and improve from experience. Next, we have deep learning, which is another subset of machine learning, but it takes things to the next level. Deep learning uses concepts called neural network to simulate the way the human brain works. These neural networks are made up of layers of algorithms that process data in a hierarchical manner. Each layer refines the understanding of the data a little more. This is what makes deep learning especially useful for things like image recognition, natural language processing, and even driving a car. For instance, when you upload a photo on Facebook, it automatically tags your friend. That's deep learning in action. This system has been trained on millions of images to understand and recognize faces. Now let's talk about data science. While AI, ML, and DL are all focused on building intelligent systems, data science is all about extracting insights from data. Data science is the process of collecting, cleaning, and analyzing large amount of data to make decisions and predictions. It involves everything from data mining and statistical analysis to visualization and even applying ML models to predict future outcomes. Imagine you're working for a company that wants to predict customer churn. A data scientist will look at historical customer data, uses machine learning to build a model, and then predict which customers are likely to leave in the future. It's multidisciplinary field that uses AI and ML to unlock the power of data. So now that we have defined these terms, let's compare them side by side. First, think of AI as a big umbrella. It's overarching field focusing on building intelligent systems. Within AI, we have machine learning, which is one of the techniques used to make AI system learn from data. And then within machine learning, we have deep learning, which uses neural network to process complex data in a way that human brain do. On the other hand, data science is a separate domain that focuses on using data to solve problems. But here's the catch. Data science often uses AI, ML, and even DL to make prediction and extract insights from the data. So, in simpler terms, AI is the goal, machine learning is the method to achieving the goal, deep learning is an advanced type of machine learning, and data science is the process of using these technologies to make sense of data. To make things clearer, let's walk through some real world examples. AI. Think of virtual assistants like Google Assistant or Siri. These assistants can understand your voice command and respond rapidly. That's AI in action. For ML. Ever notice how Netflix seems to know what you want to watch next? That's machine learning working behind these scenes. The more you watch, the better the recommendation gets. DL. How about Tesla's self-driving car? They uses deep learning to understand and react to their environments in real time. Data science. A data scientist at Amazon might analyze purchasing trends to predict which products will be popular in the next season. They will use the machine learning to refine those predictions over time. Each of these technologies plays a critical role in different applications. And as you can see, they often overlap and complement each other. To wrap it up all, AI, ML, DL, and data science are related but distinct concepts. AI is the broadest field aiming to simulate human intelligence. Machine learning is a technique within AI that allows machines to learn from data. Deep learning is an advanced form of machine learning that uses neural networks. And data science is about extracting insights from data using techniques like AI and ML. I hope this video helps you understand difference between these buzzwords. If you found this explanation video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.